Okay, you'll now have to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes, and the topic is describe an occasion when many people were smiling. This is in the past tense, so please you can start.
The occasion when I found many people that were smiling was a while ago when I was visiting the emergency department in a hospital. I was accompanied with my sister because she apparently cut it herself, and so she had to get stitches. And apparently, next to our bed, we had a a couple who were very old in their late 60s, and they were quarreling on the topic that the wife she got burned because of the mistake of her husband, and she was continuously blaming him that because of you and your quirky old tips and tricks and the jokes that you play, I got myself burned, and you need to be careful. And the husband was just you know standing there and listening to her, and everybody found it so cute because they were in their late 60s, and it was still such a beautiful thing that even in that range of their age, they were fighting and they were still together, and it showed how much purity and love there was in their relationship. So everybody in the emergency department, even the doctors who were stitching my sister's hand, they were smiling, and even my sister was also smiling. So it was a very, very beautiful.
Okay, fantastic. Overall, it's very good. You spoke for 1 minute 24 seconds, and if you slow down a little, I mean, I don't mean to say by slowing down that you should not speak fluently.
Okay.
Just relax. For example, I'm sitting like this, I'm active. If I sit like this and now I speak, so I'll be having this relaxed pace. So just speak in a relaxed manner, it'll be fine. And try to add some connecting words. I would suggest you to use some signpost words and
Okay.
phrases. They will increase your band score further. Now we have speaking part 3.
Sorry, sorry.
Yeah. Okay. Why do people smile?
I think people smile when they find something that's, a little entertaining to them, or they find it a little fun. So, smiling is a gesture which portrays that you are happy inside and outside. So, I think smiling is that.
Okay. What is the difference between a fake smile and a real smile?
A fake smile is when you pretend that you're smiling, you're basically moving your muscles of the face. But a real smile is that comes from the heart. When you smile truly, you smile with your eyes, with your face. So that's a true smile and a
Okay.
fake smile.
So for part 3, your answers are short. Try to add some more detail
Okay.
to part 3. But overall, the way you speak, your pronunciation is superb and your fluency is wonderful. So just tailor your answers to IELTS pattern and you'll be perfectly fine. At present, I'll give you 6.5, but you have the ability to score 7 and above.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.